Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and where to look for our turn screen permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our applications menu here. Next at the bottom right, top right, three dots menu, then special access, and now we are looking for our turn screen on options, and here we have every application that can turn in any way our screen. So we can, for example, take out this permission if you want to, and no need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please give a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Goodbye.